7 countries in Africa, including South Africa, have reported cases of the new 501Y V2 COVID-19 strain. South Africa has paused its rollout of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine because of a small study suggesting it offers only minimal protection against mild and moderate disease from the variant discovered in the country. That has prompted the Africa CDC to put out new guidelines.
For countries that have reported the circulation of the SARS-CoV-2 variant, we recommend the acceleration of their preparedness to introduce all vaccines that have received emergency use authorization or approval by the regulatory authorities. Consideration should be given to the effectiveness of the vaccine against the variant, that is the N501B V2 variant, or any other circulating SARS-CoV-2 variants in the country.
The WHO Strategic Advisory Group of Experts on Immunization, however, recommends the Oxford vaccine should still be used in such countries.
There is a plausible expectation that the vaccine will have efficacy against severe disease, albeit we don't have the evidence in hand, but there's plausibility for that being the case.
The Africa CDC says the concern about efficacy against mild and moderate disease caused by the South Africa discovered variant will not dictate the use of AstraZeneca vaccine across the whole continent. It says AstraZeneca doses will be used to begin vaccinating health workers in Africa in the next few weeks after a private purchase by Africa's telecom giant MTN Group.
The 7 million vaccines that the MTN had supported through the 25 million donation that they gave were all targeting the AstraZeneca vaccine, and those vaccines will begin to be distributed in the coming 2 weeks or so. And we'll move ahead with that plan, and of course make sure that we target countries that have not reported those variants. Again, we need to do this quickly and vaccinate quickly to arrest the spread of this variant. So that plan will still move forward, and this is a good vaccine without the variant, and the variant will only impact if the variant is overwhelming in the country. So I think that is our recommendation.
The Africa CDC is determined to press ahead with more purchasing of the vaccine, with 20 countries already signing up for an early procurement of doses. South Africa led the African continent to procure 270 million doses of AstraZeneca and Pfizer through the Serum Institute of India and Johnson & Johnson. Of these, about 100 million doses will be from AstraZeneca. The first batch of about 50 million is expected into the continent between April and June this year. More 400 million vaccine doses will be procured by the continent as a block through to next year. Countries have already begun receiving interim allocations of their doses from the COVAX facility. Most will be receiving the Oxford AstraZeneca jab, and so far, no one has rejected the COVAX allocation doses. The World Health Organization advises the benefits of rolling out the Oxford vaccine outweigh the possible costs. Coletta Wanjohi, SABC News, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.